I shut the door slightly. Oh damn, that was, you know, sometimes we people, you know, we get excited with turbos, we get excited when we get a new vented hood or things like that, you know, that we modify our cars to make look better or faster, right? But sometimes our excitement comes from fixing things that should be working. In this case, you know, sometimes we don't appreciate the little things that do work in life. This is turning into like a life quote. No guys, like literally underappreciate your car turning on, underappreciate maybe opening your door. So in this case, we have a white snow bunny, I guess, 350z. All right, this is my sister's. By the way, I think she wants to sell it because she got it automatic, and I think she's hopping on the trend, and she wants to get a manual car. Now she was asking me, should I just get a manual 350 or should I get a manual 370? I was like, bro, if you got the money, get the 370. That white got like a Pro too. I didn't even know this. Kind of weird. Anyways, I guess the issue here, we're not gonna beat around the bush, is that she can't open the door. The door handle is broken. Who would have thought? Oh, is this a common issue with the 350Zs, the door handle breaking? I know in the G35s, I don't think that's a big issue. We can open our doors left and right, but I didn't know about this. Apparently the issue here is that is made out of a plastic piece rubbing on a metal piece, and obviously the metal piece is gonna break with, you know, wear and tear and throughout time. So that's what we're replacing today, the door handle, because it's all as one unit. Let's see the other side. Okay, this one does work. There you go. Now I remember when I first got her car, I think also when it had the same issue as my G35, the new one I got. You roll up the window all the way up, like auto switch up, what do you call it, where you press it once and the window rolls up. Anyways, when it rolls all the way up, it like comes down like 2 inches. So it does that too. I reset in my window motor. It could be going out, but either way it's a simple fix. We might try resetting her window motor. Anyways, let's fix this handle. This is one of the benefits of being short, I guess. You know, I could have just rolled down the window and opened it from the inside. What am I? It's for the video. Let's go. Okay, yeah, that was way too difficult to do that. I could have just opened this window and, you know, opened it through here. So is this what it feels like to sit in a 350Z? Yeah, she doesn't want this no more. Pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie, having this is pretty sick, bro. Why is this leaned back all the way? I feel like I'm about to take off out of space. I'm slanted as fuck, holy shit. Okay, anyways, I guess you kind of have to be with this window slanted like that. I guess you have to be in this position. I might as well just bring a pillow and a blanket. Oh my god. By the way, shout out to the Lakers for taking that championship, bro. I heard LA was going crazy yesterday. Take off one of these rubber grommets here that it has, similar to the G35. The G35 has them on the side here because the handle's like over here, but this one seems like it has two right here. It seems like there might be two bolts that are holding the handle together too. We're gonna just take off the handle, release some of the locking mechanisms there. This should come off pretty easy, and then it should fix. Pretty simple fix. Let's go ahead and see what we need. Looks like we got a bolt in there, kind of like a, what do you call them, Phillips screw in there. Very beautiful morning, by the way. Very nice and cool. The temperature is starting to drop. Also, quick little tip here, okay? Yes, you might have a Phillips screw that fits in there, but you gotta have the right fitting, bro. Like, you know, there's a lot of Phillips screws kind of here. They're all different sizes. You gotta find the one that fits right. So when you're dating, find a girl that fits right. Hopefully this don't turn out into a brother tries to fix sister's car and then like messes it up. Pretty sure I know what I'm doing. I'm a trained professional. We also got our magnet tool. You could even twist the screw with this and take it off. Look at that, look at that. Buy yourselves one of these magnetic tools, bro. Trust me, they're worth $1 million. They really are. You guys know how you lose the 10 millimeter socket when you're working on that engine bay. We're here at the door handle. We took off the two screws. It should come off pretty easy. Look, as so. I heard like you have to slide it. The piece, you guys see it? Look, you see this shit literally came off loose. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's this little circle right here that's messed up. Let me try to take it out and show you with the new handle. All we gotta do is remove, like, I think like a little pin for the locking mechanism, which is pretty simple. And also this, it looks like a 10 mil. Ourselves with a brand new OEM spanking new. Let's give it a little montage while we speak here. Anyways, introducing them both, we can see that they look identical, which is good, right? This one has a little bit of scratches, you know, it's been used. This one's brand new, immaculate. No scratches, no nothing, which is fabulous, man. I'm actually surprised. I expected to see 1 or 2 scratches, but it's like a baby's butt. When you turn this bad boy around, that's where you see the real dirtiness, right? This is made out of metal, which goes into this center thing that's made out of plastic. You know, it's a go figure that it's gonna break. And the new one, it's not like it's fixing that problem, you know. The new one, you know, it's brand spanking new, it's got new components and everything. But thing is, this is made out of metal, right? The back piece here, and it's rubbing on this circular thing that's plastic, so it's gonna break. So this is gonna break eventually, but like I said, within a long time. That piece, that metal piece is this. We're actually supposed to take this off, you know, I'm learning as we go. You see that yellow piece, this little metal stick right here? We're supposed to remove that and put that on that new bright yellow stick. This is where removing that stick comes in handy, because you could just take it back in, but we're gonna take it out to actually remove this. Let's see if we can. And you kind of you flip the yellow and you just take it off, and look, this is the piece. Now this piece is the one that sticks onto that like this. Brand spanking new. This one's all beat up, broken. So you can see right there the metal that's clashing in with the circle. You know, it keeps rotating, it's eventually gonna crack off. The solution would be here, why don't you make this out of metal, right? But like I said, I don't work at Nissan, so I can't suggest that. But now before we install it, we are gonna give it a little wash, you know, with some little rubbing alcohol, you know, make this polish. Here at Be Distinct Corporation, we stand by our products. All right guys, so we got the handle in place. We were able to lock this bolt in. It's a little tricky when you're in there, because you know, there's this little thing that literally bolts on. Like, it can literally go out so far because it's attached to a pole. Maybe we're all good to go. The other blue stick is back in its hole, back home. That's super tight. We're just gonna go ahead and polish the handle a little bit. You know, like I said, we want satisfaction guaranteed here at Be Distinct Mechanics. So we're gonna go ahead, polish it up a little bit, put it back on, see if it works. Go ahead, shut the door slightly. Oh damn, that was this is out. Maybe it's locked. There we go. But y'all thought I didn't fix it, huh? Y'all thought. Anyways, we're gonna stop there before we break a customer's car, but looks like we fixed it, yo. Now let's see if we can fix that that auto window rolling issue. That's gonna be a little bit more of an extensive work, maybe charge her about $2,000 for it. Before I get all down and dirty with the car, let's see if the problem still exists. Also, at the end of this car inspection, we're gonna go ahead and drive it around 60 miles just to make sure that the door handle is working properly. We don't want to make sure that it breaks halfway and have the customer unsatisfied. So we're gonna go ahead and drive it around 60 miles. We're in the says customer's car. It says that when she rolls up her window, like auto in the auto function, it scrolls down a little bit. See, I don't know if it's the left one or the right one. We're gonna go ahead and try it out. Ay, ay, ay. I think we found ourselves the problem here. Yikes. Can we just scroll it back up? Ooh, that can be that could be an issue. Okay, let's see if we don't do the auto and just pull it up ourselves. Okay, that works at least. Similar to the G35. It seems as we're working, we find ourselves more tip and tip. Ooh. Okay guys, the panel is finally off, but what you guys did not see was the struggle that I went through taking this piece of crap off, man. They made this bulletproof. All you gotta do is remove this. This was already hard enough to take off. I don't know why. This has this metal clippings that make this damn near bulletproof. I don't know what the hell. This was insanely hard to take off. Then you gotta take off the piece that this piece of shit holds on to. And you gotta take off the freaking window switch. Then you gotta take off the bolts that hold on into the damn window switch. I believe our reset button is either in one of these. Gotta do eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe. Definitely not this one. This one's a little, yep, there it is, the magic button. Okay, we got our window switch back on, activated. Now we're gonna wanna grab the keys. Grab the keys, turn them on. You wanna start off with the car with the windows all the way up. So, and you know this one doesn't go all the way up. You wanna make sure it goes all the way up. So don't do the auto, just do that one click that you can personally have to hold it all the way up until it goes all the way up. We got to do that. We're gonna hold the button, the reset button here we got here. We're gonna hold it As we're holding it, we're gonna scroll the window all the way down. Once it goes all the way down, we release the button, then you release the window switch, and then you just put the window up regularly, and it should work. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Hopefully it works. It seems super easy. It really is that easy. Let's see if it works. Let's go ahead and hold down this button. We're holding it down. Put the window all the way down. I mean, I released the window switch before the button. Let's see if it works though. Anyways, I'm gonna put you the window, because just so you guys don't think I'm adding a window going up sound effect. Look. And then just, that's it, releasing. Yo, let's go. Customer satisfaction guaranteed. Bango, she's gonna be so happy. I'm gonna record her reaction. Let's see if she really is happy with all her things being fixed, because I know I was happy. Bro, when I fix my thing, let's see if she's happy. She's gonna be like, oh, so hopefully that's reaction. We're gonna wait till she comes home. Looks like our case here is done. Another happy, satisfied customer. Well, actually, we don't know that. But anyways, I think she should be satisfied. We fixed her door handle. Now she can open the motherfucking door. And her window goes all the way up, which is fantastic. Now we're just gonna wait for a customer to arrive, and we'll see how happy she is. Sister just got home. Let's see. Customer satisfaction guaranteed. Let's go sit.
And it doesn't work or what?
Nah, it doesn't work.
No, you have to buy me a new piece.
I already bought you the first one.
I already paid for the first one either way.
What do you mean?
What do you mean you broke the...
Look what you did. Alright, check it out. Before you open your car, what were the problems you were having with your car?
I couldn't open it.
Okay, and then what else? You had another problem.
The sensor? The knock sensor?
Another problem.
The window. Oh, the window. Okay,
yep. Okay. Alright, let's see. Problem number one. See, will it work?
Oh,
Bam.
okay.
What's up, Clark?
Oh, you see?
Oh,
look.
There you go.
Okay.
Oh, did it go down even doing that?
No, it stayed up.
No, like before.
No, it would go down, yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, now do it with the inside. Do it inside. Works?
Yeah.
Sick. I thought you would be more excited, you know? Your door works now.
Well, it still went up.
But still, like, I guess the customer wasn't as happy as I thought it would be. I thought she would be, but it's all right. Anyways, like I said, I thought the customer would be a little bit more happier. Didn't turn out as I expected, but we got the problem fixed. I'll catch you guys with an update on my car. Next video, super exciting, bro. We're almost done with the car. I'm gonna wrap the bumper and everything, bro. We literally just need the hood. I'm super excited. Catch you guys next video. Be safe, be distinct, go crazy. Peace out.